Start by wilting 150 grams of mixed spinach and kale leaves in a pan of shallow boiling water. Once wilted, drain off the water through a colander. Add the wilted greens to a food processor along with 100 grams of Julienne Bruno's Superstraccia, a deliciously smooth and creamy plant-based cheese. Add in a minced clove of garlic and drizzle in 2 tablespoons of our Italian organic extra virgin olive oil. Then pulse to combine until smooth. Take a jar of our organic cannellini beans, which pack in a whole plant point. Drain off the water, then scatter onto a baking tray. Drizzle over some more olive oil and then season with sea salt. Shuffle to coat and then spread out evenly and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy. Meanwhile, cook the polenta, add 4 cups of boiling water to the same pan used for wilting the greens, season with salt, then add in 1 cup of polenta and allow to cook on a low simmer for around 10 minutes. Once the polenta has cooked, add in the cheesy greens mixture and stir through until well combined. Season to taste with flaky sea salt and cracked black pepper, then serve the polenta spread out on a serving plate. Drizzle over a good amount of our extra virgin olive oil, then grate over the zest of a lemon and squeeze over the juice of half. Once the beans are roasted and crispy, scatter these over the top of the lemony greens polenta and garnish with fresh parsley. Serve this dish together with some crunchy veg crudité sides such as baby cucumbers and carrots, crusty bread for dipping, or it's delicious spread onto a slice of toast. This lemony greens polenta packs in over 4 plant points and is the perfect seasonal plate to serve for spring.